Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we will be installing and configuring PostgreSQL and PostGIS. So let's open our terminal. Okay, and then let's switch over to the root user. Okay, and now the first thing that we need to do is we need to add a repository for PostgreSQL. And then we add a key. And now we can update our environment after we have added the repository and key. So now we are ready to install PostgreSQL. So let's run the following command: sudo apt-get install PostgreSQL 15. Okay, so once PostgreSQL has been installed, we can now install PostGIS by running the following command: sudo apt-get install PostGIS PostgreSQL 15 PostGIS 3. Okay, so now we have successfully installed PostgreSQL and PostGIS. So that's it for this lesson. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.